they should also focus on increasing moving in order to have a successful and quality work, there should be someone influential and initiator for Filipino moving neighbor. The concept of Filipino moving industry, we have all the good directors, producers, writers, etc. For them, they need to come up with but still they need others to support them in order to finance their work. Knowing that the Philippines is capable of producing movies, but still many Filipino people prefer to watch other movies because of much upgraded technology that is good and more visual, but the unique concept of the story. Compared to other countries that have that innovative technological aid and the government lack of support financially and technically. The government should pay funds to them somehow finance the writers and directors in order to build their work. The situation wherein a writer created a good story, which many foreign producers like because they think it will win awards in foreign competitions like Oscar. It's very unique content and story. A writer likes to produce a funny story. Only the help of Filipino, with his fellow Filipinos. But they don't have enough money to finance his work. We would rather sell his story and his work, and with his work will be adopted by another country. With this, Filipino work will never be discovered. Instead, foreign would be credited. This idea is goes to show that the government should focus on Philippine industry somehow our movie can move forward with quality promising.
Ina-announce ka naman pag nakapag-upload. Oo.